Welcome back to Sasha Crochet. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to do the triple crochet. It's a fast working stitch and it's pretty simple to learn. Before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share the video, it'll help others locate the channel. Now let's get started. You always want to start with a chain, unless you're doing something without a foundation row. Okay, so we got 11 chains, and whenever you're doing the triple crochet, whatever your chain count is, you always want to add 4 to the final count. You're always going to have 4 chains on the end, each end of your row, to represent your work. So to do the triple crochet, you're going to do a complete yarn over by wrapping the yarn from back to front around your crochet hook twice instead of once. You're going to do it twice, and then you're going to skip 4 of the chains underneath the hook. And in the 5th chain, you're going to go inside the loop, pull through, pulling up a loop, and now you have 4 on your crochet hook. From here, you're going to go from back to front. Let's pull up some yarn. All right, you're going to go from back to front, pull through 1 loop, from back to front again, pull through 2 of the loops, 2 more loops, from back to front, the last 2 remaining loops, and that is a triple crochet. It's a pretty tall stitch. It works up fairly fast. It also uses a lot of yarn. I don't use it often, but it's a pretty stitch. Wrap it around the crochet hook twice. Go into the next chain, pulling up the front loop, pull through, wrap around. So you yarn over twice, go into the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 1 from front to back, wrapping the yarn, pull through 2, repeat it, and then repeat it with the final 2 loops. Wrap it twice, creating a full yarn over, go into the next chain, pull up a loop, wrap from front to back, pull through 1, front to back, pull through 2, front to back, pull through 2, front to back, final 2. Okay, we've made it to the last spot on the first row to do this stitch. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, 2 again. We're going to chain 4. Turn your work, wrap twice, skipping this first spot, going in here to start the second row. We're going to repeat everything we did on the first row to complete the second row. through the last two, wrap around twice, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through one, wrap around, pull through two, wrap around, pull through two, pull through two, wrap around, pull through the final two, wrap it twice, go in, pull up, pull one through, pull two through, done. Now that we've turned our work, we're just going to repeat what we did on the first and second row. Like I said earlier, if you mess up, don't be afraid. Just go ahead and restart that stitch. Okay. I think that's far enough up, but as you can tell, it works up about 1.5 inches each row, pretty fast. And that is how you triple crochet. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe.